Hello students, I am Sarvan Kumar and in this video we are going to solve some more questions based on relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. Okay, so this is the previous year KVS student support material. So I am taking some very good questions from this. Okay, now there is one more important thing that I want to discuss with you. Okay, mostly what student does, they know how to solve a question but they don't read the questions properly. Okay, so to solve a question you must read the question carefully first. Okay, for example, in the very first question it is given that if the sum of the squares of 0 of the polynomial 6x square plus x plus k is 25 by 36, find the value of k. Okay, so usually what happens, students read sum of zeros of polynomial this is this and find the value of k, उसके बेसिस पे वो k की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं और उनको लगता है कि क्वेश्चन उन्होंने सही किया बट एक्चुअल में गलत होता है बिकॉज हियर वन मोर वर्ड इज गिवन दैट इज स्क्वायर. Okay, so in this question sum of squares of zeros is 25 by 36. Okay, so let's solve this question. ठीक है, solution. So in this question the polynomial is 6x square plus x plus k. Okay, let alpha and beta are its two zeros. Okay, and then it is given that the sum of their squares means alpha square plus beta square is equals to 25 by 36 and we need to find the value of k. Now on comparing px with ax square plus bx plus c, what we will get? We will get a equals to 6, b equals to 1 and c equals to k. Okay, इसको आप अगर यहाँ कंपेयर करोगे तो आपको a, b and c की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. Now we all know alpha plus beta is what? It is equals to minus b by a, so this will be minus 1 by 6 and alpha beta is c by a, so this will be k by 6. अब हमारे पास अल्फा प्लस बीटा की वैल्यू गिवन है, अल्फा बीटा की वैल्यू गिवन है, बट हमें अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर की वैल्यू गिवन है. तो अब इसको हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? Now if you remember, if I do this alpha plus beta whole square, so ये एक आइडेंटिटी है और you know it is equals to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Okay, now alpha plus beta is what? Minus 1 by 6, so this will be equal to minus 1 by 6 whole square. Okay, alpha square plus beta square is given, it is 25 by 36 plus twice of alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is given k by 6, so this is equals to 1 by 36. Okay, this will be 25 by 36 plus this will be k by 3. Okay, ये cancel out हो जाएगा 2 and 6, so this will be k by 3. Now 25 by 36 को अगर हम उधर लेके जाते हैं, so we will get k by 3 equals to 1 by 36 minus 25 by 36. Like fractions, so simply we will subtract the numerator, so this will be minus 24 by 36. Both are divisible by 12, so this will be minus 2 by 3. Okay, so it implies k will be what? K will be minus 2 by 3 into 3. So 3 से 3 cancel out and the value of k will be minus 2. Okay, see the question is very easy and this is a very important question. Okay, so it is very easy. The trick was to use the identity a plus b whole square. Okay, now in the second question it is given that if one zero of the quadratic polynomial is negative of the other, find the value of k. Okay, so in this the polynomial is 4x square minus 8kx minus 9. Okay, and it is given that one zero is negative of the other. Okay, so let alpha is equals to minus beta. Okay, with this information what we will get on transposing this, we will get alpha plus beta is equals to 0 because they are opposite of each other. Okay, and we also know alpha plus beta is equals to what? Minus b by a. In this polynomial the value of b is minus 8k and the value of a is 4, So alpha plus beta, that is 0 will be equals to minus, value of b is minus 8k and the value of a is 4. Okay, so on cross multiplication this will be 0 equals to 8k and simply the value of k will be 0 by 8, that is nothing but 0. Okay,